gotta go get ready.
Hi, I am DJ from the COnTeSt LiFe show. We had a request from one of our fans who told us to do a burping contest. So we're going to do some interesting burping contest.
Yeah.
I guess. Well, yeah. So, as you all know, so far I've won almost all the burping contests. So I guess I might be the only one doing the burping contest. So, yeah. So, as you know, I'm DJ. Hi. And here is Britty.
Pick a color!
That was awesome. That was me, dudes.
1 point. Nothing more.
Okay. Yeah, first of all, to do a burping contest, first of all, you need this. Can't go without Coca-Cola, dudes.
Or this.
And the cheap shit of Coca-Cola. And then you need Monster!
Ah, the Coca-Cola flavor one. Uh-oh, DJ, my break time. Time for break time for me. Time for a Monster and a Cola. Oh boy.
Okay, yeah. And time for Emma. It's Emma. Hi. Okay.
My dumb blonde fantasy princess came. Hallelujah. What the hell?
Oh God, Brett.
Hey.
Okay, moving on. Let's just get on with our burping contest. Anybody? Okay. It's starting now.
Uh-oh.
All of us need to sit together. So our fans can see us.
Here's the Coke.
Come on.
Over here.
Oh, just so you know, guys, you should know that I'm a big Bill and Ted fan. Hell yeah!
Hey, no one.
Let's scoot this back.
Let's be polite.
Oh, scoot it way back.
I don't know if I can do that.
Of course you can. Oh,
I burped earlier. That don't mean I can now. I feel alone. I want to be on the floor.
Well, let's sit on the floor. Move this crap out of the way. Plus, we're using the webcam, so this makes it really hard. Okay, I think we got it. Scoot. Oh! Okay.
I thought I was going to...
Got our Coca-Cola. Burpee contest begins now.
Oh no.
Round 2.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Now I'm going to try to break. We didn't have this camera turned on, so I actually burped Emma's name. So I'm going to try to do this again. And it was perfect. Just ask Emma. That was a fail!
I know.
Okay,
I can't
got
do
this.
it anymore. I'm sorry.
Monster time. And Cola. If you can say it. Say.
I'm not going to be able to do it. I'm so cute.
That was perfect!
Oh my God.
5 points. 5 points. DJ's winning. She's gonna be the champion again. And that's me! Yeah!
I'm just the judge, though.
Alright. Now, what should I do now? What kind of burping should I do? Oh! Yeah! Bravo! Bravo!
Alright.
Good job, Blondie. She has found her wings.
Not me. I'm still lost here.
Okay. Alright.
Oh God.
So, what should I say? Should I say cola? Or
Yes, they call us.
say cola when I burp? Okay, I'm going to do this, so we did not play this, so yeah. Alright, here it goes.
Cola.
Damn, I'm good. Thank
Bravo.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, monster time.
Oh my gosh, I can feel the caffeine and sugar rushing me. Oh. Oh. Oh.
you need to scoop more. Oh boy.
Too much caffeine!
Somebody help me.
Sit up! You broke my belt for my anklet! That was you.
You broke it. You grabbed a hold of me. You broke it. Where did it come from?
I'll try to say hello to all of you people who are watching this video right now. I'm going to say hello to you in the, what should I say, burping language.
Mm-hmm.
Bitch!
Dude, you got soda on your computer. You spilled the computer.
I spilled it on the floor.
Oh god.
Hey, somebody give me a towel. I got it. I got it on my pants.
You got it on your computer.
At least it's not.
Oh my god, I'll go get a towel.
I got it. No problem. I got it.
That was terrible.
I'm surrounded by idiots.
Give me the fucking. Give me a towel.
Isn't that just awesome?
That's because I felt bad.
I need to look at this over so I can see how it looks on
I'm
the camera.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to clean up here. This isn't gonna help. All right, out.
Alright, I got this. It's alright, dudes, we got it. It's gonna be very sticky the next day.
Oh god, my chest hurts.
Monster break for me.
Don't ever do this with friends because you know why?
My chest hurts, that's why.
Not only that, if you are gonna have Coke and then your friend's gonna do something really funny, and then you're gonna end up spitting out your soda on your own laptop like I did. Thank God it's still recording.
Oh, my chest hurts.
Boy, it's gonna look so cool when we review this.
My chest hurts.
Emma, guess what? This is too damn funny.
I know it is. You can see my hand.
Alright, that was a bad fail. Oh, that was too funny.
Alright.
I think I got it off the floor.
Back.
Hey,
Yeah.
did I get this all over on the floor?
You got it all over your computer right now.
No, I'm talking about on the floor because your mom just, shampooed the rug.
Yeah, I know.
That's bad.
Yeah, her mom just shampooed the rug and I totally spilled Coca-Cola all over on the floor. Yeah, that was bad.
No, you didn't, DJ. You only spilled it on your pants.
I did? Well, it's a little wet here. Oh, look at that! It's all over my pants!
Hey, how about that, ladies and germs?
Okay, moving on. Need to finish up with the burp contest. Okay.
Uh-oh, monster time! Time for my break. The monster first.
Great. You should actually move closer to me so people can see you. Oh, Emma.
I'm having problems over here.
You guys need to scoot
Scoot over. There.
If they can see me. God, this is not suiting well.
No, it's not. We try to move this as far as we can, and this is as far as it'll go.
I don't think I can drink
Round
any more
three.
Coke.
I could do more Coke.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
I'm
Uh-oh.
in trouble.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Caffeine rush.
Ah, that hurt. Come on, I'm smoking, you guys. This is so
You
bad.
always smoke.
I can't do it. Uh-oh.
I can't do
Break
it anymore.
time!
I'm drunk enough.
Emily, you spilled more on the laptop.
I'm Kelly.
Break time! Monster! A monster?
That was a fail. Don't choke.
Britty! Let's get strong.
I can't do it. I
I spilled Coke all over on me.
I got Coke on my shoulder.
I'm smoking, you guys. This really sucks.
Give me 5 minutes here. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry. I got
You're not Alex Winter from the Idiot Box, Britt.
No, I can feel something kick in.
That was a fail.
I can feel something kick in, sis.
Oh, man.
Come on.
Okay. Britt, stop it.
Time out.
Stop it. This video's not stopping yet because I didn't do the grand finale.
I'm at time out for me. I'm out of here. Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Sucker. Loser.
No.
shot glasses.
Shot glasses.
I'm trying to get some
I love Las Vegas.
Shot glasses. Okay, to some haters on YouTube who are calling us very bad names, piss off!
Screw you.
We are just having fun, okay? We're girls who just want to have fun. And we're tomboys, we're not that girly girl crap. The preps who go, oh, my hair! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, look at my nails! Oh, a broken nail! Oh my gosh!
Shut up!
See, Britty hates them, so she would kill them.
I'll kill anyone that acts like them.
I'm not girly. Oh, that was brilliant! Bravo!
I think she's married to Beetlejuice.
Beetlejuice!
He belched like that.
Okay, I'm getting ready to do the grand finale.
This is not gonna end well.
I'm scared.
You should be.
Chugging Coca-Cola is not fun.
Uh-oh.
Oh, some of it went in my nose. Oh, God.
That's not pleasant.
No, I was supposed to let it out, and I just wasted it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the grand finale. Not yet. Not until I officially burp louder.
I'm out of Coke.
Here, I got some more.
I don't want any more.
Boy. Since we're drinking all this Coca-Cola, this is not going to end well. And I have to go to work early in the morning.
I have to go to school.
I have to go to work at 5 in the morning, so I got to get up at like 3:45 so I can take my shower, get ready, and then take off and go to work. And I work at a gas station, so if any of my customers are watching this, hi!
I'm gonna end up.
Beautiful! That was beautiful!
I'm gonna end up at home
That
as
was
a
not
slave
planned.
as usual, and then all of a sudden I'm gonna have problems sleeping, and then a big baby as the face of a mother is gonna wake me up and disturb me.
We just love our fans. We love our fans so much.
Yes, we cannot live without them. We'd be melting. Melting! Okay. This will be my grand finale, I swear. Okay? I swear.
If not, then
If not, then, yeah.
bye.
No! I will not give up until I actually have a loud belch coming up. That was bad.
Yes, it was. That was
All
really
right.
bad.
Alright, time. Here comes Coke. Time for how many? Coca-Cola and Monster. Okay.
Woo!
Okay, I need silence here. Everybody shut up! Okay. Yeah, just as a warning, you're all in big trouble.
She is.
I'm scared.
That sounded like that was really bad. Okay, I guess I can't make a grand finale. I don't think this Coca-Cola ain't working for me. I think I'm out of energy. That's so bad. We totally embarrassed ourselves.
Want to hear me read something really bad? Wait, I don't have enough nicotine.
Okay.
What the hell?
Well, since I haven't finished this Coke, so what the hell? I'll just drink it up and then I'll see if I'll have a big belch to end this. But since I can't do it, but if something happens, we will come back. If you don't see another video of Burps Contest 2, then shut up.
4.
Okay, I'm gonna say bye in a burping language. And then stay continued for more of our stupid videos because we are just girls who want to have fun. So peace. Alright, I'm ready to chug it down and say bye. I hope I don't end up puking after chugging all this Coca-Cola.
If you puke on me, I will kill you.
Try drinking a Monster and a Cola. Coca.
See you next time! And hopefully you enjoyed this.
Bye.
Bye!